In today's fast-changing marketplace, at E&P, we've been telling CEOs and others not to look for the next normal, because there won't be one. In this type of environment, how do you make the critical platform leaps of scale from $10 million in revenue to 25 to 100 and so on up to $1 billion or more? How do you overcome the barriers to growth while increasing your size and profitability along with attracting capital? Is it time to reevaluate and adjust your core value proposition? On August 10th at UCI Beal Applied Innovation, we will host our third annual Growth Summit on scale strategies for efficiency, growth, and profits. Our top-rated business leaders will share case-driven studies and tips on how to build your internal capability to execute adaptable strategies and remain nimble. We'll also cover how to build a more inclusive and robust talent pipeline, along with strategies and tactics to better integrate processes and technology. This session will include a post-summit reception where you'll have a chance to talk with speakers and share ideas with your C-suite peers and business owners. See you on August 10th